Today I'm installing a garage door opener, the actual machine that runs from here to the wall and carries the door on the trolley. I don't know how well it'll come through on camera. I will try to put a close-up picture of the gear that's stripped out here. Then you can see here on the ground, there's the new one. I'll give you guys a little time lapse of putting that together and putting it up. We have a problem here. The opener is longer than the opening has to go in it. So let me go try to move the front forward. I don't know if it's even gonna have enough room. Because yeah, there's no good way to do this. I'm just gonna shut you off and try to get this figured out. And the final step after getting the opener up and running, or up and installed, is replace the wall button here. A lot of these are the same. You pop this cover off here. Then there's a screw right here, and then there's another one down under here. I'm gonna show you how they come off. So you pop that screw off and then it just pulls up like that. And then the new one goes on, exactly reverse. Put the wires on, put the bottom one on, put the top on. So now, when I press that button, so you watch, I'll go press, and there, now it goes on again.